Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creation. Good morning, I'm Erica. For those of you that don't know me, I'm the face behind the Lopsided Crafter. Welcome to Organized Chaos 1. I've outgrown my she shed. Want to take a look? So here we are. This is my office. Organized chaos. Over here we have my yarn. Like I said, organized chaos. A box that I use for painting. Some looms over there. There's a shelf. Big screen TV. Some more of my looms. Here is one of my work tables where I work on my tumblers. Here's one that needs a second coat. More looms. Over here we have my sewing machine and a printer. Two more cups that finished drying this morning. And more yarn. Over here is my Cricut and where I work on my t-shirts. I got two huge shipments of tumblers in yesterday, and I've got 2 boxes of t-shirts back there in the corner. So yes, my organized chaos. Like I said, I am outgrowing my she shed. It is what it is. When you have a small business that consists of 3 different products, which is crocheting, tumblers, and t-shirts, yeah, you kind of outgrow your space, don't you? What does y'all's space look like? Thanks for joining us on the Lopsided Crafter. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really, truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy crocheting. Bye.